Hey there, it's Joseph. Welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets. And today we're going to be talking about that pretty but deadly purple flower that grows in the lake alongside town. As always, if you need additional information, there's links in the box below, including a link to Amazon.com that offers all 11 books in the best-selling book series titled San Miguel de Allende Secrets. Following 2 years of heavy drought, a green and purple mantle glides across the presa, or large lake alongside town. The lavender flower is the water lily. The water lily is a floating plant native to the Amazon basin. It arrived in Mexico thanks to Porfirio Diaz in 1887, starting a water element flower craze among the country's wealthiest families, providing a new home for one of the most invasive plant species in the world. The water lily adapts to pollutants often run off into the lake from nearby commercial agricultural sites for soybeans, asparagus, corn, and broccoli. On March 7th, a harvesting machine was put into the lake. The machine could remove all the present lilies in 3 years, assuming they didn't grow. Granted, I went to Catholic school, so my knowledge of science is scant, but I'm pretty sure all living things grow in size. I know I do. The water lily is just that. 95% water. And once not in water, it dries out and dies, currently along the presa's banks. Left in the water, it blocks sunlight beneath the water line for fish and plants, killing them. With the wind, the water lily glides in all directions on the lake, blocking boat access to fishermen. Granted, I've no desire to eat the carps and whatnot from the lake, but many do, and the fish are a mainstay for most lakeside fiestas. For years, I had fish from the presa in my fountain. They were ugly as sin itself, but never needed an ounce of attention. I have no idea what they ate, but they reproduced at speeds bunnies would envy. They had to, for any passing heron that spotted them swooped in for the kill. Those big birds terrified my dog, and if I were honest, me too. Today, my fountain features ceramic fish instead. As always, click the subscribe now button and to keep up with new videos as they get premiered here on the only channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets.